Make a great choice today with the 2019 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear defrost. Come see the car for yourself.